What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the lake. Not gonna lie, it's pretty windy today, so I apologize for the audio in advance, but I'm going to be in some coves either way, so it doesn't really make a difference. The wind's gonna bother us a little, but it shouldn't be that bad. For today's video, I have something pretty special. I have a pack of my own baits. Pretty insane. I'm gonna try them out today. These took a while to make, so today I'm gonna test it out and see if I can catch any fish with it. That's going to be the objective for today's video. The weather's great, water clarity looks pretty good, so we should be able to slay them. Let's get to it. All right, everyone, I've made it to the first spot of the day. This is the spot where I caught the 6-pounder. It's pretty sunny today. The weather's nice, so I came back to this spot because there's a lot of structure, and I caught a ton of fish here last time, so we'll see if we can make something happen. But I have my own custom baits right here in my hand. One of one. There are no other baits like this in the world, so I'm going to test them out today and see if I can catch some fish on them. They seem pretty good. The smell is not too great, I'm going to be honest, but I did put some salt in them, and then I also have some garlic scent just in case we don't catch any fish after some time. I'm gonna try them out. Hopefully they work out. This is the main thing I'm going to be using today, so we'll test them out, see if they work. My own custom baits. I'm gonna get to fishing, quit talking, try out these baits, and see if we can make something happen. So I forgot to press record, but I got my first bite of the day. It was a really good bite. He didn't commit though. That's kind of the good thing because I wasn't recording. I would have been pretty salty if I wasn't recording, but that fish just bit and put the bait down. So that's a good sign. We've already gotten our first bite of the day. So I'm thinking the fish are gonna want this bait. Hopefully they do. We'll find out soon enough. Still got quite a bit to fish. I'm not limited to time or anything like that. So I'm gonna continue fishing. See if I can locate these fish and get one in the yak. That was a bite. Oh no! Dropped it. Hook exposed. He had it in his mouth. I think it was in his mouth and I pulled it out of his mouth. I should have waited a little bit longer. Maybe it wasn't that big of a fish. I'm hoping we come across another one around this cove. We should be able to. We still have some pretty good spots left to fish, so I'm thinking we're bound to run into a fish. But I'm not gonna lie, I really like the colors on this bait. It's just something that I've never seen before on a bait. Personally, I'm sure there's something similar out there, but I've never seen anything like it. I'm thinking this is gonna be a pretty good bait. We've gotten 2 bites so far, not bad. I'm gonna keep fishing. We should be able to catch one. We should be able to. Oh. That might have been a fish. Just dropped it. Got one. First fish of the day on the custom Cinco. That's a nice one. That is a nice one. Come on, don't come off, don't come off. I've been fishing for hours. Get in the net, get in the net. Yes, let's freaking go. Oh my God, first fish on the custom JJ Cinco. Not a bad one either. Let's freaking go. I have been on the struggle bus today, everybody. It's currently 4:25 and I've been fishing since like 12:30. I honestly thought I lost this fish when I first hooked into it, but not a bad fish. I landed him. I just wanted to get him in the yak because the bite has been tough. I have no idea why. I don't know if it's the bait. The water temp's really cold. I'm not too sure why I'm not catching fish, but first fish of the day, we finally landed one. I switched to a little bit deeper water. That might be the reason why I was able to land this fish, but first fish on my custom bait. Pretty stoked. Gonna go ahead and let this fish go. Back in the water he goes. Swam off just fine. All right, so one thing I'm really surprised with is that fish, I felt him, but I wasn't too sure, and it took me a while to actually set the hook on that fish. So that fish was nibbling at it. The bait doesn't really have any scent, but he still kept it in his mouth. He still was eating it, so that's a good sign. That's a really good sign. Like I said, I've never seen anything like this bait. It has blue and red flakes, and it's kind of like a natural color, like a brownish, like a dark brownish, like greenish. I can't really explain it, but one thing I'm really impressed about this bait is the durability. This thing has not torn up. It's not hard, it's not super soft, it's literally like perfect. So that's one thing that I found really impressive about this bait. I do have to dial down the scent, but not bad. I honestly have not seen a bait like this. Pretty cool that we landed a fish on it. We literally don't have much time left to fish, but I'll keep grinding it out. I'll try and fish some other spots. I'm out of spots, good spots to fish, so we'll see if we can land another fish. But overall, my review on the bait is that it's really good. I just need the scent dialed down, so I'm gonna keep fishing, see if I can land one more. If not, I'll do the outro. That's another fish. Got one. Second fish of the day right there. Come on, please. Please. Don't come off. Don't come off. Do not come off. Do not come off. Get in the net. Yes, let's freaking go. Second fish on the Cinco. I think the bite is just tough right now. I think it's just that they're down a little deeper, about the same size. 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds. There you go. Second fish of the day. Let's freaking go. I am grinding it out, making it happen right there. Oh my gosh. It's a nice fish. That's a really nice fish. Quality fish, kind of chubby. I'll take them all day long. Ate the Cinco I made. Gonna go ahead and get a release on this guy. Back in the water he goes. Insane. You know, some days I don't catch any fish, I get skunked, but this bait is still making it happen. Not a bad fish. Gonna keep fishing. I have a little bit left to fish, not too much, and then I'll head back to the ramp, but 2 fish landed. Pretty good. All right, everybody, that is going to effectively end today's video. I caught 2 fish in total today. I grinded it out. I got here at 12:30 and it's currently 5:30 right now, so I fished for quite a few hours. I could have landed 4 fish today. I got 2 bites and then I landed those other 2 fish, so not a bad day. I caught all those fish on these Cincos. I got a few DMs on my Instagram asking if I was gonna sell these baits, the ones I made. Sadly, I'm not gonna sell these baits, but I am going to do a giveaway on them. I have all these baits left. I only used 1 bait today, so I have all of these left. If you wanna go ahead and win them, drop a comment down below on why you wanna win them, and I'll choose a winner in the next video. But yeah, it's quite a few baits. There's like 10 or 14 inside this pack, so if you want to win these baits, like I said, drop a comment down below. The thing that really impressed me with these baits is that they're extremely durable. They're not too hard, they're not too soft, but both of those fish, I caught them on the same Cinco, so I'm pretty impressed with that. But hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the like button. With that being said, I'll catch you next time on JJ Fishes.